Hi everyone, quick question for you. When was the last time you truly, truly laughed? When was the last time you really had like a belly driven, heart driven, full throttle, authentic laugh that came from your soul about anything? When was the last time you laughed? I was thinking about this thing the other day and I was just like, oh my gosh, what happened to the joy? What happened to the laughter? Because I saw this woman who was talking to someone and she had called into a show. It was just like a random show where callers were calling in and whatnot. And this person called in by video on a show. And this woman was filled with so much joy. The woman was laughing. I think she was just emitting these codes and this frequency of joy and laughter and happiness. And I could feel my body literally expanding just listening to this person. And let me tell you, this woman was her languaging was just not correct or PG rated. But in spite of that, the joy that was coming out of this woman was so palpable. I mean, it was coming through the screen. I could feel that joy and I was feeling myself so expanded. And then I was just thinking about some lost part of myself or some part of me that is now hidden and is no longer coming out, that joyful aspect of me. And I'm like, what happened to you, Caroline? When was the last time you laughed, man? I don't laugh anymore. I don't. I struggle to laugh. I don't even find opportunities for laughter, like real, genuine laughter. And especially that laughter that is enjoyed with other people. There's something about laughing at things that you see online or whatnot or on the digitals, which most of us are on because many of us don't have friends anyway. And sometimes you can find online some things that provide comedic relief that can make you laugh, you know what I mean, and really help you kind of release some stress or whatnot. But to find moments of shared laughter between individuals, physical individuals, is sometimes very elusive. As a matter of fact, I dare to say it's becoming very, very rare. So, moments like those with shared individuals, man, I long for those kinds of things. Do you guys long to just have friends that you can really, really laugh with about anything, whether it's deep stuff or light stuff? That exchanging of codes that awaken, that expand, that change, that free, that just elevate you. I long, long, long so much for those kinds of moments. Anyway, when was the last time you laughed? What made you laugh? Do you long to laugh? Let me know in the comment section. And until next time, let's not forget that inspired joy is an elevated frequency and it can still happen. It is still possible for us. I love you. Bye.